Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA A Plus Core 2. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on CompTIA A Plus Core 2 is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent boot issues such as a black screen or error messages during startup? Your answer should be to troubleshoot intermittent boot issues. I would first check the hardware components including the power supply, motherboard, RAM, and storage drives to ensure they are properly connected and functioning correctly. Next, I would inspect the BIOS or UEFI settings and check for any misconfigured settings or hardware compatibility issues. I would then attempt to boot the computer into safe mode or use diagnostic tools such as Windows Recovery Environment or a bootable USB drive to diagnose and repair the system files or boot configuration errors. If the issues persist, I would consider resetting the BIOS or UEFI settings to default, updating the firmware, or reinstalling the operating system. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a UPS, that is uninterruptible power supply, in computer systems and how it helps protect against power related issues? Your answer should be a UPS is a device that provides battery backup power to connected devices in the event of a power outage or voltage fluctuations. It helps protect against power-related issues by ensuring uninterrupted power supply to the devices, preventing data loss and hardware damage caused by sudden power loss or voltage spikes. Additionally, a UPS often includes surge protection and voltage regulation features to further safeguard connected devices from power surges and fluctuations, thereby extending the lifespan of sensitive electronic equipment. Our next interview question is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent Wi Fi connectivity issues such as dropped connections or limited signal strength? Your answer should be to troubleshoot intermittent Wi-Fi connectivity issues. I would first check the Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure the computer is within range of the wireless access point. Next, I would verify the wireless network settings on the computer, including SSID, security type, and passphrase to ensure they are configured correctly. I would then update the wireless adapter drives and check for any firmware updates for the router or access point. Additionally, I would consider adjusting the Wi-Fi channel settings, relocating the router or access point to minimize interference, or upgrading to a higher gain antenna for better signal reception. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a VLAN virtual local area network in the network infrastructure and how it helps improve network segmentation and security? Your answer should be a VLAN is a logical segmentation of a physical network into multiple virtual networks, allowing for better network management, security, and scalability. It helps improve network segmentation and security by isolating traffic within VLANs, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data and resources, and enabling network administrators to apply specific security policies and access controls to each VLAN independently. VLANs also help reduce network congestion and broadcast traffic by segregating network traffic based on logical groupings, improving overall network performance and efficiency. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based questions, certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.